Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today's gonna be the last video of the Kawasaki ZXR 1100. We're gonna take it out and give it a final clean and change that headlight. Here's the situation in my workshop right now. So you got all the bikes, you got a CB750, which is a future project. Got my motocross here. It's an old YZ 426. Then the Kawa is here, and here's my baby, which I'm gonna talk about in a next video. But you can have a quick look. That's my baby. Alright, let me take the Kawa out and then we start to work. Okay, so now that the bike is out, I got a bit more space to work on. So what I'm doing now is the final work on that bike. What I'm gonna replace is this horrible thing here. Well, horrible for me. The dual headlight, which I actually really don't like. I bought already a single headlight because I can't find an original one, and they're just like super rare to find or super expensive. So I'm gonna go for a single headlight like this. So now all I have to do is the wiring. So that's pretty much what I'm gonna do right now, and then yeah, final cleaning of the bike because it was completely finished. But I want to sell it and nobody's buying it, and I blame the dual lights. Alright, I'm gonna start to take that headlight out now. For a couple of weeks before I was on holidays now for the last week, and I bought that headlight just before my holidays. I quickly tried to put it on to see. Oh shit, I lost something. Yeah, I quickly tried to put it on to see if it fits. I had those mounts here, which I had on my Bulldog before. So I put everything quickly together to see if everything fits, and it fits all good. So now I only have the wiring to do. So yeah, quickly take the headlight off. I'm gonna do all the wiring. I have no idea if I'm gonna make it to actually do everything right now because it's quite of a mess here since someone did that dual headlight thing, and I don't have that much time. Got it! So yeah, I think I'm not gonna film too much in details about the headlight now. It's a bit boring. I want to cut everything. I hate cables. Alright, so the wiring is finished now. Everything works. If there's one thing I can tell you is check your fuses if something does not work, because yeah, okay, the wiring was a mess before. Like the guy which did the double light thing was really, I don't know, it just really did a bad job. Like the wires would just be twisted together and nothing would hold, and there would be just cable just going everywhere, and it was just a pure mess. So I cut it everything, and then I sort of lost track of what is what. Yeah, and at first it did not work, and then I was like, I just lost like a good 5 or 10 minutes just wondering why it's not working and testing, and just I don't know, till I thought, okay, let's check the fuse, you know, and actually one fuse was broken. So yeah, first check the fuses, so you're gonna save time. That's a stupid thing, but I mean, sometimes you just don't think about it. Alright, so yeah, let me show you now. Okay, here are the wires. So I wired everything together here with that sort of Japanese style plugs here, which are those ones here. Don't know if you can see. I got a bunch of them. So you got that little plastic protector stuff, and you got the male ones here. Is it focusing? Sort of. Male here and the female here. Kind of really cheap sets, you know, and with that crappy tool here to close them together, but it's really not the best, but I mean it works just fine. And I'm using this on every bikes, and it's just really, it's not expensive, and it's clean. You can always unplug them again, and yeah, it's working pretty good. So we can test it. Let me switch the ignition on. Now I got this little light here, and when I switch it on here, I got my normal light, and here are my high beams. Yeah, everything works. So yeah, that's good. Pretty happy with that. So now what I have to do is I'm just gonna put it back together. Just tape the wires a bit nicer, a bit smaller together, so that everything is neat. and yeah, just rebuild the light. If you guys are maybe interested in that plugs here which I'm using, I'm gonna look on Amazon, and if I find them on Amazon, I'm gonna put a link down in the description. So if you want to go and check it, if you buy them through my link or you buy anything else then through Amazon, it is an affiliate link, so I'm gonna get a little commission for it, like a little percentage, but it's not gonna cost you anything more, but it might just help me a little bit with my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so that's obviously a different day now. Unfortunately, when I finished the Kawa and I took it outside to take some videos about it and everything, it started to rain quite heavily, so I could not do it. I had to put it in straight away again and then to cancel this, and I thought I'm gonna actually come back a few days later and take the shots for this video. The thing is, I think that actually that new headlight actually changed the game pretty good, because a couple of days later the bike was gone, so someone just came and bought it straight away. So yeah, unfortunately now it's gone, and I did not get the chance to actually make a proper video like showing it when it's finished and everything, so sorry about that. Now if you want to stay tuned, I got some new video coming up. Where am I? Here. That's my new next project. It's not really new, I'm working on this bike since years. So this is my CB 900 Bordeaux. This is the bike I introduced at the beginning of the video. The bike I called my baby, not the one there in the back, this one. So yeah, if you guys want, I can show you real quick, and so that you can stay tuned for the next videos, because I think from now on there will be a lot of videos about that bike. I'm here tonight to keep on working on it, and my goal is to restart the engine tonight, so I'm going to make sure that I'm going to film this. It's been like over 2 years that the engine did not run. I fully took it completely apart, fixed everything, serviced everything, changed everything, painted everything, built it all back together, and now it's finally the time, after 2 years at least, where I'm finally gonna be able to restart it. Hopefully, if it does restart. So yeah, stay tuned for this. Now I'll show you the bike quickly, and then the rest will be for the next video. That's it. So here it is. That's 1981 CB 900 Bordeaux. So as you can see, I've done quite a lot of modifications to it. There's a new swing arm in it, new rear wheel. I'm gonna give you some more details next time on the next video. Here a set of brand new flat slide carbs, upside down forks, everything a bit nicer, more modern here in the front. And yeah, some new cool racing shocks, full on stainless steel exhaust system. There we go. And yeah, I think that's enough for this video. So if you want to stay tuned for this, make sure you like the video, hit the bell, subscribe, do all those things. I don't know, I just mixed it up. See you next time. Bye.